Hello cuties, today I'm going to show you how to make these designer socks. I hope you like them. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and to share this video. So let's get right into it. These are the materials that you're going to need. The socks I found on Forever 21 and H&M, and you can find embellishments like this in stores like Michaels and Joann's. I'm gonna put the links here. For this one, I'm gonna make like 4 points of support with the thread, and this is because if you sew it all the way around, it's not gonna stretch, so you want it to stretch. So I'm just gonna make 4 points, and that way I'm gonna be able to put my foot in and out. And then I'm just going to add more crystals as much as I want. And that's the final result. I hope you like it. For this one I was inspired on Gucci, and I just took the picture and started to try to make the pattern all over it. So you just have to be patient and start creating the pattern until it looks at least similar to the one that I make, and that's it. Just add crystals and glue, and I'm using E6000 as always. That glue is super resistant, so don't be afraid. And by the way, you have to wash this by hand, of course, if not it's gonna get messed up. And that's the final result. I hope you like it. For this one I'm going to also make only 3 points. I'm gonna make one on each side and one in the middle, and this is going to secure the embellishment in place, and it's going to allow me to put my foot in. And after that I'm going to add a couple of pearls, and that's gonna be it. So these were all the socks that I had to show you. I hope you like them. They are super trendy right now, and let me know if you recreate one of the looks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Bye!